Do you want to know how you can sign out of your Remitly account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign out of your Remitly account. Go ahead and open Remitly on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. After you open Remitly, what you need to do is click on Manage on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and tap on Manage, scroll a bit down, and you can see the Sign Out option on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click Sign Out, and there you go. This is how you successfully sign out of your account. You can now use your biometrics or sign in using your password as well. So, let me give you another example how you can sign out. I'll just go ahead and sign myself in again. After a while, I will be logged in or sign into my account. Now, to sign out or log out, go ahead and click on Manage, scroll a bit down, and you can see Sign Out at the end. Go ahead and tap on it, and there you go. This is how easily you can sign out of your Remitly app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.